my channel, welcome. I'm Mad Chen and I'm a digital illustrator. I create Procreate tutorials for beginners. In today's Procreate tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use crop and resize in Procreate using one of my projects for today's examples. Crop and resize means that you are adding or removing pixels from your canvas. So let's get started by clicking on the Actions button up here that looks like a wrench, and we'll click on Canvas, then click on Crop and Resize just under Canvas. The grid that we see is showing the area of our canvas. We can adjust this by dragging the corners or the sides of the grid. You'll also notice that any changes that we make to our grid will bring up a notification on top of the canvas, indicating how many layers are currently available to us. Before we go on any further, I want to point out the reset button up here in case we make any mistakes, so we can try and crop and resize the canvas again. This time, I'm going to crop and resize the canvas to focus on this jellyfish. We can also reposition the grid by dragging it across the canvas. If you're happy with the crop, you can just click on Done up on the top right corner over here. On the top right, we have a few options to work with. So first, let's take a look at settings. And the first thing you're going to see is the dimensions for the current canvas size. To ensure that you have a uniform crop, we need to come down here and turn on Resample Canvas. This will turn the chain between the values blue. So for example, if we change one of the values, you'll see on the top right that Procreate automatically calculates the correct size for our canvas, maintaining the height-width ratio, which is pretty nice. Also, when you type in your values, you have the option to change to millimeters, centimeters, inches, or pixels. Just under canvas dimensions is DPI, which stands for dots per inch. If you'd like to learn about the DPI and how to create canvas sizes in Procreate, I'll leave a link up above to one of my tutorials showing you how to do that, and I'll also leave it in the description below. At the very bottom here, we have rotation. This allows us to turn our canvas up to 45 degrees either way. If you choose to use this option, please be aware that the corners of your canvas that are outside of the grid will be cropped away. Next, we have snapping. So if we turn this on, it will allow us to snap our grid to various segments of our canvas. When you're done with crop and resize, you can choose to cancel any changes or click on Done to save the changes. Thanks for watching, guys. Please support this channel by liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing to Mad Chen. If you have any questions, comments, or problems with Procreate, please leave comments down below because I want to be supportive and help you guys get better at using Procreate and also get better at your artwork. You can also check out my other Procreate tutorials, which I will leave links up above and also in the description below. I hope you guys have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next Procreate tutorial.